Our go-to only restaurant basta birthday, Tom Yum. Pauni ang ilahang rate. They have for grill station, different types of meats. They also have ready-to-eat foods, steamed foods. Also have different types of noodles. Salad station, sushi and maki, fruits, and different type of desserts, with ice cream, and for halo-halo station. We also have shabu-shabu station and different types of drinks. Also have for zero sugar, coffee, and soft drinks. And of course, San Miguel beer. They also have pork and beef nga meat for shabu-shabu, so don't be afraid to ask sa staff. Let's go! Timing kayo, wala sila chopstick today, but nevertheless, thank you God for all the blessings. Let's go! Happy birthday to me!